I am Emily. This is my Casper. Can't do this. Can't do it. This is my Casper. This is real. It's happening.
Unboxing.
There's a box in a box.
Describe what you're
Ooh,
seeing.
it says goodnight. Green envelope says goodnight. Notes. Secret notes. Looks like we have some diagrams. You want to get into it? Is there a note here? A note from our founder. Should I read it?
Yeah.
We built. I can't read it.
You want me to read it?
Andrew here is going to read it.
I'll help Emily with the reading. We built this mattress because we believe that sleep is more than just the afterthought. An afterthought. I can't read it.
Next person.
Next.
Anyone else want to try this? We've spent countless hours engineering every element of your bed to make sure you sleep well, and we'd love to hear what you think. Thanks again for choosing Casper. Feel free to reach out to us with your ideas and questions. We'll be around.
Great. That's great.
Wow.
That was a perfect reading.
Should we? Great.
Someone can read this.
Can we read the next section?
There's nothing to read there.
Oh,
Yep.
this is a lid to the inner box. A scarf on it.
Oh, and there it is. All
There
wrapped
it
up.
is. Do you want to get in there? You want to give this a look? It's the queen.
Come on.
So I think I'm gonna go like this, or maybe actually, Jamie, can you give me a look at this and tell me what to do?
Sure. Unpack the Casper in the room where you plan to sleep on
Oh, cool. Let's move it into the actual.
Yeah, this is not. You don't want to sleep in the foyer.
it. Lay it on its side.
Come on in. Not a lot of room.
Where's your other
There's a
mattress?
door frame there.
You put it in the basement?
I took care of it. Yeah, I put it on
You
me.
took care
All
of
of
it.
this one.
No, it's
Yes.
If it's wrapped in a thick white sleeve, carefully snip along the seam and tear open.
Before I take it out of
No,
the box.
take it out of the box.
I got you.
Could someone pull the box?
Bring it over to the box.
Nope. Do we want to put it up?
Do we want to put it on the
Yeah, sure.
I
Okay.
think you do. I think you probably do. You want me to film it for a little bit?
Snip. If it's wrapped in a thick white sleeve,
Yes.
carefully snip along the seam and tear it open. Don't unroll it, Emily.
That's not
We saw what
snipping,
that
Emily.
girl
I
did.
don't have a snip.
Get a scissors.
It didn't come with a built-in
We
knife.
just watched the fails.
Just gonna
Wait,
go.
what do I do?
What about the slice it?
For the third time, if it's wrapped in a thick white sleeve, carefully snip along the seam and tear open.
Where's the seam?
It looks like it's
Is this the same right here?
the seam of the mattress, I think.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
I don't see the seam.
Okay,
You just unroll
cut
that.
it.
Just unroll
Cut
it.
it.
But like,
No,
I
don't
wanna-
unroll
I
it. It's gonna be like super long. You're gonna be unrolling.
I'm just going to caption
No,
this
we're
now.
unrolling the
Epic,
main one.
epic fail. That's
That's not what they told
That's
you
what
to do. That's what the girl
this
did
is
when
what
she
the
fell
videos
on
have
her
taught us
ass.
not to do,
It's
guys.
still wrapped in something else underneath it. That's the thing.
Oh, I can't wait for
Oh, watch
this.
out for my bed skirt.
Oh yeah.
She took 2 hours today ironing that.
I don't want to snip this because like it could like cut the whole thing. Oh, bed skirt.
Oh wait, now why don't we just snip it?
Oh, now you want to snip it?
Oh, I
Whoa.
have a
there's the
bad
seam.
feeling about this.
Okay, no, we're good. We're good.
All right, wait. Let me fix the bed skirt. Whoa.
Is the skirt ready to go?
Kind of. Hold on.
Uh-oh, it's inflating. It's inflating.
I can hear it. I can hear
I can
it.
hear some
I'm
noise.
creeping it.
Bed skirt. There you go. You can. Okay. Are you still videoing this? Okay.
Find the end of the outer plastic wrap and pull it towards you.
Which end towards you?
So
This is long.
This is
Long
my.
way.
Pick it up. This is-
Watch the bed skirt.
Okay, wait, someone's
Can we unfurl?
Well, we just unfold.
Watch the bed skirt.
Watch the bed skirt. Hold on.
Okay, we should look it all up in one piece. It's like a multi-person job.
There's some plastic under there too, so.
Oh.
Careful. There's a bed
Oh,
skirt. Oh my god, the bed skirt.
Watch the bed skirt.
Guys, I ironed this thing too.
I know, I fixed it. You're good. I fixed it.
Who cares about the bed skirt?
Yeah, we got a Casper here.
Okay, so here we
Once
are.
your Casper is unfurled, tear open the inner plastic wrap.
Emily, do the honors.
Just
Tear it open.
tear
Do it.
open.
Anywhere,
You
dig
need the
in.
scissors?
Where
Dig
you-
in.
Yeah.
You don't want to stab your Casper though.
No, I want to tear into it like it says.
Just tear in the middle then.
Wait, tear it. Where's your cutter? Don't we
It's
have a
happening.
box cutter?
We have scissors. Do you come with our box cutter?
Oh!
Check into that.
Oh shit.
It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. I don't know.
Now you can probably just tear it.
Bed skirt.
Watch the bed skirt.
Just don't cut the mattress.
Yeah, I know. Hold on.
Yeah.
So how are we gonna get the plastic up from Casper?
I think tear it like this. Ooh, I can feel it inflating.
Be gentle when you pull it.
Bed skirt.
Bed skirt!
Okay, Rain Man, there's a bed skirt underneath. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. Done.
That's pretty good, but it's still naughty.
Hop in.
Oh, the bed
your
skirt.
Casper awaits.
Wow, it is nice.
Oh, bed skirt.
Wow, that feels amazing.
Cool.
Wow. It's like a cloud.
Should I lay on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, come
Give
on.
us
Yeah.
your review.
Wow. It's really nice.
Aren't you so glad you got a Casper?
This is good. This is great. Okay. Okay.
Now can we send it back so we can see what happens? Can they come pick it up?
Thanks, guys.
So I think you just say,
I cut my finger opening a Casper.
One
Casper
injury.
fail. Casper fail.
I think you can end it now.
I'm very excited.
This has
Thanks
been
so
this
much.
has been Emily.
Thanks to all my friends and my support.